Hello and welcome back, students. We were discussing addition of matrices, and in that, a very important question, question number 16, we are going to discuss today. We have to find x and y, where x and y, remember, are the matrices. Why they are the matrices? As 2x is a matrix, 3y is also a matrix, so their sum 2, 3, 4, 0 is also a matrix, and 3x is a matrix, 2y is a matrix, so the sum of these two matrices, 2 minus 1, 5, is also a matrix. Okay. So how to find this? We have to use the same procedure as we use in simultaneous linear equations. Means by making the coefficients of x or coefficient of y, means any one of them, same, by multiplying a fixed number. For example, if we multiply 3 with equation 1, so this becomes 6x in place of 2. 2 3 is 6x plus 9y. So 3 will be multiplied to this matrix of right hand side also. And we will multiply the equation number second by 2. So 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. Like this, it will be changed. So let's write first the reason, the statement. Multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Number 3. So 3 3 is 6x plus 3 3 is 9y. This is capital X. Equals to 3 into 2 3 4 0. Whenever you multiply a matrix by a constant like 3, we have to multiply all the numbers, all the elements of this matrix by 3. So 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 0 is 0, which is equation number 3. And now we are multiplying equation 2 by 2. So 3 2 is 6x plus 2 2 is 4y equals to, now I am going to multiply this matrix directly by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. And 2 into 5, 10. Then subtract equation number 4 from equation number 3. So minus, minus, and minus. So these two will be cancelled out. 9y minus 4y equals to first matrix minus second matrix. It implies 9y minus 4y, 5y equals to 6 minus 4, 9 minus minus 4, 12 minus minus 2, 0 minus 10, which is equal to 6 minus 4, 2, 9 plus 4, 13, 12 plus 2, 14, and minus 10. Now, if we find y, we have to divide by 5, means 1 by 5 into 2, 13, 14, minus 10. So this 1 by 5 will multiply all the elements 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 minus 2. So this is the value of y. Now we can find the value of x from any one of the equation. If we use equation number 1, which is 2x plus 3y equals to a matrix 2, 3, 4, 0. It implies 2x plus 3 into y. Y is 2 by 5, 13 by 5 first row, 14 by 5 minus 2 second row equals to 2, 3, 4, 0. It implies 2x plus we multiply all elements by 3. 3 to the 6 by 5. 13 3 are 39 by 5. 14 3 are 42 by 5. Minus 6 equals to 2, 3, 4, 0. It implies 2x equals to a matrix at right hand side minus 6 by 5, 39 by 5, 42 by 5, minus 6. And then use the property of difference or the addition of matrices 4 minus 42 by 5. And we know that they are subtracted element to element. 2 5s are 10 minus 6, 4 by 5. 3 5s are 15 minus 39, minus 24 by 5. 4 5s are 20 minus 42, minus 22 by 5, 6. And now if we find x, it is equal to half into 4 by 5 minus 24 by 5 minus 22 by 5, 6. Multiply all the items, all the elements by half. 4 by 5 into half, 2 will be cancelled out, 2 to the 4, minus 12 by 5, minus 11 by 5, and 3. So x equals to 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5 minus 11 by 5, 3. And y equals to 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, minus 2 are the two answers. In first property of question number 17, we have to prove that matrices are commutative. Means on changing the order, their sum remains the same. So first find a plus b by adding a and b, and then find b plus a by adding b and a and check whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, then write a plus b equals b plus a. So the matrices are matrix addition is commutative. So solve this question now. In second part, so associative property means if ABC are the three matrices of same order, then A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. So check it for the given matrices also. Third is existence of so third part is about the existence of additive identity. Means in that we have to check if A is added to a matrix, will it produce A? Then which matrix is that? So it is the null matrix. So check for the null matrix only with A. whether it is giving the same answer or not, which we have to show by matrix addition. And the last property is existence of. So additive identity exists. So there must be an additive identity such that if we add that matrix to A, it produces additive identity. So in this, minus A is an additive inverse. So check it. Let's first take A, then find minus A, then add them and check whether they are equal to the additive identity null matrix, as null matrix is the additive identity. So it will be clear that there exists additive inverse. Okay.